What's up, guys? I'm coming at you live from Hutch's Welding Shops here in Stuart, Florida. And we have Jolene, if you don't remember, 72 Crew Cab, bump side, going on a Super Duty chassis. We fully boxed the chassis, smoothed it out, we painted it, gave it a chassis black. We shortened it to match the wheelbase of the truck. We have just begun our construction. So, with a Duramax. That's right. I know everyone's gonna ask me why a Duramax. I think I bought this truck about 2 years ago, and at the time I couldn't find good solutions for a diesel powertrain. For what I wanted a pretty modern diesel, you know, to be able to do cruise control. I wanted a pretty beefy automatic. Duramax comes with an Allison, and I wanted 4-wheel drive, and I wanted electronic transfer case. I do like the 6.7s. I did consider 6.7 conversion, buying a whole truck. Couldn't find a way to get away with getting rid of the dash and all the electronic. I'm sure there's some standalone harnesses for it now, but at the time there wasn't, and I jokingly brought this up to our friends at Dmax Swap, which are local to us. They're very kind to the idea of putting it in a Ford. So we got the talking and decided that it would actually work out. It worked out fine. Everything would work. Gives me everything I want. So we did it. This is a LBZ Duramax, and yeah, we're gonna have some fun with it. So built Ford tough with Chevy stuff, right? Some other updates and upgrades. We got some nice 20-inch method wheels on here and some Toyo 38s. We are developing an air suspension system for this. We did do a 2020 Super Duty a while back. We did a 6-inch lift, so a lot of the base of that kit's gonna be part of this. You know, we do have some other components, you know, PMF drop bracket, you know, some other odds and ends, their drop pitman bar. There's gonna be a lot of development on this. We're doing things a little bit different too. We're gonna be doing a full 4-link front and rear. So you can see we've been developing the 4-link kit, just kind of mocking up some bracketry. Probably gonna move that. The difference with the 4-link and doing a 3-link setup is that when you're doing big lifts, it actually keeps the caster sweep nice and straight, so that way the bag stays nice and straight. Super D axles front and rear. The bed's sitting right over there. Don't mind the fuel tank. It's gonna go in the stock location. You can see I started mocking up some 4-link brackets as well. The rear is just mocked up. The truck's not gonna be squatted. Overall, good solid truck. Already started collecting some goodies. Want to keep the interior stock-ish. We are gonna fully upholster it. I'm actually gonna go show you the upholstery of what we're gonna be doing to it. So follow me, guys. So yeah, we do want to fully upholster this. It's gonna have bench seats, front and rear, bolstered bench seat. My idea with this is a 1972 King Ranch. I love King Ranch interiors. I love that look, that vibe. Here's the sample. Look at that. Distressed vinyl. This will be the seats, and probably some other. And my idea for this truck is to have just a well-rounded daily. I do plan on using it. If you guys know me and my other truck Taylor, we do beat the shit out of our truck, so they got to be built right. But yeah, so we're gonna build it up. My theme is kind of like an off-road overland tow rig with some show flair, air suspension. We'll do some lights. I do want to do a light bar across the top, so give it that Baja vibe. We'll do custom bumpers, front and rear tubular with a winch. Like I said, I do want to do some overlanding, some camping with it, and towing our show truck out to shows, and be my daily, be my grocery getter. I think that's about it for now. So stay tuned for more updates. We're gonna be plugging away on this thing pretty heavily. The moist towelettes enjoy swinging on the swing set. Ow now, brown cow. Hey everybody!